Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll be working on that Mercedes CLK right here, and we'll show you how to remove and replace tail lights on it. So stay with us, guys. We'll show you how to do that. Please subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. Many helpful videos on that vehicle and many more. We'll have more than 100 videos on that. So if you have one, subscribe. Most likely it will save you some money in the future. Okay, we'll show you how to do the outside first. The outside tail light left and right side will be exactly identical, I think. So we'll just go ahead and demonstrate on the left side now. Let me show you what you need to do. You need to pull that carpeting, see that carpet piece out, okay? And now we're going to pull the bulbs by squishing those things towards each other, okay, like that. Now we're going to disconnect the wires, or you can even just leave it like that. And there is a couple nuts that we need to remove now. I think 4 of them. Okay. So we're removing them with the 8mm, okay, 8mm socket. Once you get it loose, it goes by hand really easy. Just careful not to drop it, okay? And as you can see, there is one more right above this one that we're going to do now. And there is one on the bottom and one on the top there. Okay, trying my best, guys, to get a good view here, but it's a little bit limited space. Okay, removing that one as well. Okay, perfect. Now the ones on top, we need to do those. Okay, so far that's the third one that we have removed, and there is one more, and I'll finally be out of the trunk, I hope. This one being a convertible, not enough space here. Okay, perfect, this one is out of there now. So now there is one more thing you need to do. There is a hidden one, right there, that's a 5th one. Okay, you can see some people do not remove this one, and what happens, you're going to try to remove it because they think there is a clip and not a nut, and they will eventually break the tail light. So that's good, guys, to always know what you're doing first before you start the job, so you don't break anything that will cost you money. Okay, out of there now. So now what we are going to do, just grab it, okay, and pull it out. Okay, right here now. You can see how easy it was to remove the outer tail light. Alright, guys, so when you're ready to install it, all you have to do, push it back in, install the 5 nuts, okay, you can see where all the nuts are now. Install those, and then you need to install the light bulbs, which is not complicated. You just make sure it clicks good, because if it doesn't, you're going to melt the, you can see the tail light, which could even catch on the car on fire. We've seen some in the past. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead, install it, and that will be the whole video, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.